Hi guys, hi tastemakers, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're new here, if you're just finding my channel for the first time, hello and welcome. In today's video, I just want to share with you my grilling in the summer. Most weekends I'm grilling. So I got the coals already. I'll show you guys that later. But I got my grilling bucket, my grilling kit here. And we're just going to do a mixed grill. This is my freezer clean out grilling session. I had some Italian sausages from Walmart in there. And I have 4 chicken leg quarters. You guys that have been following me for a while know I get those 10-pound bags when they're like 55 cents. So I have 4 left, and then I had a pack of chicken wings. Yeah, chicken wings, and about 6 of those. And I made my famous paste, my seasoning paste. It smells wonderful. And then, you know how you have a little bit of an onion left, and then I had these peppers in the freezer, so it's time to use them up. So we're gonna go on. The grill's ready. I'll bring you guys down. Yep, you guys can see. Okay, so I already cleaned off the grill. You shouldn't spray oil when I'm gonna spray the grates down. And when you light charcoal, you need to put it in a pyramid first and then light it. And then I'm gonna spread these out now. Then I'm gonna spread, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. I don't have a microphone for this phone, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm gonna spread these all the way out. Normally I have a direct heat side and an indirect heat side, but this barrel, it gives it enough distance, and so it won't overcook them. Let it get hot in there. Okay, I'm gonna go on and put the chicken on. Those tongs are those little 98-cent tongs from from Walmart. They weren't strong enough, so I'm gonna use my hands and get this show on the road. Put the chicken, don't cross-contaminate, just put all chicken on at one time, then you put your pork on at one time, and you put your beef. Don't put the raw meats, commingle different meats. Some of this seasoning like flicked on my face, so that's why I'm wiping it off. And it has raw chicken on it, so I'm gonna go inside, wash my face. Spread everything out. I'm gonna let that go for about 45 minutes before I check on it. Then I'll come back. Okay guys, this is what everything is looking like after about 15 minutes on one side. I like to get the color on the presentation side first. And those wings are coming along nicely. And then I'll just let them cook the rest of the way, skin side up. Looking good. I'll close it up. Because like we say, if you're looking, it ain't cooking. Okay guys, everything's ready. Everything's at 165. Beautiful golden brown color. And I'm going to take these off and put the sausages on. It only took 35 minutes for this to cook. So, loving it. Okay guys, everything's all done. We have the wings here, we have the chicken leg quarters, the Italian sausages, and I've garnished it with the peppers and onions. Everything's up to temperature. So we're going to dig in, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you for grilling with me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, thank you so much, you guys. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video.